Okay, so we're going to look at GeoGebra and we're going to go and look at circles between the way that we can use it to kind of help us with the determination of the cosine and the sine functions. So first we're going to go and build our circles. So we're going to put A equals, A equals parentheses 0, comma 0. And we're going to hit enter, and there is our beautiful point. From here, we want to go and put, make sure we want to construct a circle with the center being A and the radius being 1. So we're going to type in circle, and point A, and we're going to move over. Oops. Completely, there we go. And we're going to hit 1 and oops. I meant to put 1, but I put exclamation 1. Okay, so from here we want to go and put another point. There is our beautiful C right there. We'll see for the circle. We're going to put point, and we're going to put B is equal to, open parentheses, 1, comma, 0. Oops. There we go. It's because I keep hitting the wrong button, and enter. So from here, we actually want to go and we want to get a point. Oops. I want to leave that there. Oh, I forgot to make sure that this was a fixed object. So we're going to go over here, click on our point, settings, and fix object so our object won't move. And again, do the same thing for B. So from here, we should be able to go and create a point. Let's create a point right here. So from here, we actually want to go and we're going to do something really cool. We're going to go and I constructed point C on the circumference of the circle. So we're going to go and we need to change our interval of axis from 1 to pi over 2. This, we're going to go and we're going to right click on graphics and we want to go to y-axis and it should be pi over 2. I was messing with this earlier, so it should be pi over 2. So from here, we want to go and we want to create a circular arc between these points. So we're going to go over here and type in circular arc. And our midpoint, of course, is A. So we're going to hit A, make sure we capitalize, move over, B, move over, and C. And it is going to create our beautiful arc that we see here. From here, we want to go and we want to be able to display the length of arc. So we want to click on our arc here and I want to make sure we show our trace. Let's go back over here and click on settings and show trace, show color. We're going to let's pick maybe this one, maybe that one, and thickness, advanced, basic, and let's see, we are looking for value. Make sure due to it's not showing this scripting. Oops, don't want to do that. I want to create another point. I just wanted the arc. And I don't know why it keeps creating another point. Let's click on D right here. There. Okay. Oh, because I have point clicked. Okay, let's click on move. And let's first delete this. Click on our arc. settings, allow intersection, colors, advanced. Basic, and show object, show label. There we go, value. There we go. That'll show our value this time. Okay, so from here, we want to go and we change the color, we change the style, and we're going to go and look how this works. So we're actually going to go make sure we put this as P equals D. Oops, I forgot to put open parentheses. D, comma, Y, C. We're going to enter. And there it is. And we want to show our trace. We're going to go and do color. Let's do like a yellow maybe color. And style, we want point to be at 5. Okay, so from here, let's watch point C. So if I click on this, we're going to watch what the arc actually goes and does. And as it goes and moves on the circle, it's moving again counterclockwise. And let's move this a little faster. There we go. And we can watch how it actually goes and changes, and we're seeing that it is actually going and creating what do you call it, the sine function. Now let's go back, and instead of looking at just this at the y-axis, we're going to go and look at the x-axis. We're going to do kind of the same thing, except we're going to label it Q is equal to D, comma, Y, oops, not Y, X, because we're looking at the x-axis of C, because that is our point. And let's click on Q. We're going to show our trace, and let's click settings, and maybe this color, this orange. Okay, and we're going to click go, and we're going to watch this, watch how they work. It's really, really cool. There we go. And this goes back and shows us our cosine function. And it's really cool to see this, that it's actually just going and working from, what do you call it, just from the circle, like from the way that, from the circumference of a circle. And it's really cool for kids to kind of see the way that these functions end up working and all of that fun stuff. It is just really, really awesome, and the way that we're able to see these lines and just using a lot of this. It is really cool, and that is it for the video.